for a new car? Excited about the prospect of owning a shiny, brand new vehicle? Well, before you make your decision, it's essential to consider all aspects, including the financing options available to you. In this video, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of new car loans so you can make an informed choice that suits your needs. Let's dive in. Let's start with the advantages of securing a new car loan. 1. Easy financing. One of the primary benefits of a new car loan is the ease of financing. Banks and financial institutions provide dedicated loan programs specifically designed for purchasing new cars. These loans streamline the financing process, making it convenient for you to get behind the wheel of your dream car without significant financial strain. Number 2. Low interest rates. New car loans often come with competitive interest rates compared to other types of loans. Lenders offer these favorable rates to encourage customers to finance their vehicle purchases. By securing a loan with lower interest payments, you can reduce the overall cost of owning the car. Number 3. Flexible repayment options. When applying for a new car loan, you have the opportunity to choose from various repayment options. Lenders typically offer flexible terms, allowing you to select a repayment period that suits your financial situation. Longer loan terms result in lower monthly payments, while shorter terms help you pay off the loan faster, albeit with higher monthly installments. Number 4. Improved credit score. Taking out a new car loan and making timely repayments can have a positive impact on your credit score. By consistently meeting your loan obligations, you demonstrate financial responsibility, which reflects well on your credit report. A higher credit score not only strengthens your chances of obtaining future loans but also provides access to better interest rates and financing options. Number 5. Ownership from day one. With a new car loan, you become the owner of the vehicle from day one. Unlike leasing or other alternative financing methods, you have complete ownership rights and can modify or sell the car as desired. This sense of ownership offers a significant advantage, particularly if you plan to keep the car for an extended period or have specific customization preferences. Now, let's explore the potential downsides of opting for a new car loan. Number 1. Depreciation. One of the primary disadvantages of a new car loan is the rapid depreciation of the vehicle's value. As soon as you drive the car off the lot, it loses a significant portion of its value. Over time, the depreciation continues, and by the time you pay off the loan, the car may be worth much less than the initial purchase price. This depreciation can result in a loss if you decide to sell the car before fully repaying the loan. Number 2. Long-term debt. New car loans often come with long repayment periods, sometimes spanning 5 to 7 years. While this leads to lower monthly payments, it also means being in debt for an extended period. Being tied to a long-term loan commitment may limit your financial flexibility and restrict other investment opportunities. Number 3. Potential negative equity. If the car depreciates faster than you pay off the loan, you may find yourself in a situation of negative equity. Negative equity occurs when you owe more on the car loan than the vehicle's market value. This can be problematic if you need to sell or trade in the car before the loan is fully repaid, as you may be required to pay the difference out of pocket. 4. Higher insurance premiums. New cars typically require comprehensive insurance coverage, which can be more expensive than basic coverage. Insurers consider the replacement value of the vehicle and its susceptibility to theft or damage when determining premiums. Higher insurance costs should be factored into the overall cost of owning a new car. Number 5. Limited flexibility. When you finance a new car, you are bound by the terms and conditions of the loan agreement. This limits your flexibility to make changes or adjustments during the loan period. If your financial circumstances change or you decide you no longer want the car, breaking the loan agreement may result in penalties and additional fees. So, what's the final verdict on new car loans? Let's sum it up. New car loans offer several advantages, including easy financing, low interest rates, flexible repayment options, improved credit score, and ownership from day one. However, they also come with a few disadvantages, such as rapid depreciation, long-term debt, potential negative equity, higher insurance premiums, and limited flexibility.